Morning, Bitcoiners, Bitcoin miners. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is Monday, November 24th. We are getting up on the holiday season. It's an exciting time to be in Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin is pumping. Recently, we hit 99,000, which in my humble opinion, we are officially in a bull market. It seems like everybody's coming to Bitcoin trying to learn about this orange coin and what it can do for them. I'm coming up on my third year in Bitcoin, and I just got to say, it is super exciting to be a Bitcoiner. We'll have to remember this when we get back to the bear market, because we know that's going to happen. Bitcoin goes through cycles. We'll remember this energy, and it'll hold us through the bear market when it does eventually come. But we don't have to think about that now. We are all watching our net worth grow, and that is exciting. I am your host, Trevor Bello, bringing you the news on channel 256. We're going to keep it under 10 minutes as much as possible. The last thing you want to do is listen to the news all day. You guys have more important podcasts to listen to, so we're going to get into it. Before we do the news, I got to tell you guys about the mining metrics. So the current block time is 871,842. Total network hash rate is 743.8 exahash. And the daily hash price, it's going up a little bit. So this is exciting. $59.39 per petahash. The all-time high, as I said before, is 99,770, according to Clark Moody's dashboard. Some dashboards say that we did hit 99,800, and the current price of Bitcoin right now is $97,290. It does seem to me like Bitcoin is playing hard to get, keeping us away from that 100K mark, but we'll see it soon. Don't worry, guys. All right, the last difficulty adjustment happened on November 18th and was a 0.6% upwards adjustment. We're currently 1,086 blocks away from our next retarget, scheduled for the 2nd of December. It's looking like a 3.8% adjustment upward. Keep that in mind as you're plugging in your machines. This is a reminder to get your UTXOs in order, because the fee rate right now is 9 sats per VByte. So it's a perfect time to get your UTXOs in order. If you guys don't know how to do that, reach out, because I'd love to help you. All right. So for anybody looking to get some cheap mining rigs, Bitcoin Mining World currently has 1,000 used S19 XPs in the USA. Price of those machines is $8.05 per terahash, and the hash rate on them is about 134 to 141 terahash. There is still a 2-month warranty on those machines, and you can go to Scott's Deals on Telegram or message me directly at trevor@bitcoinminingworld.com. And now for the thing you've all been waiting for, Monday's news. Bitcoin's recent surge has led to notable price disparities across global markets. In South Korea, the Kimchi premium has reemerged, with Bitcoin trading at approximately $1,300 above the global average on platforms like Upbit. Conversely, in the United States, exchanges such as Coinbase have experienced a Coinbase premium gap, where Bitcoin prices are slightly below the global average, indicating localized selling pressure. The regional price variations are influenced by factors including regulatory environments, investor sentiment, and market liquidity. In South Korea, heightened demand and limited supply have contributed to higher local prices. In contrast, the US market's recent selling trends have led to minor discounts. Such disparities underscore the fragmented nature of the global cryptocurrency market, where regional dynamics can significantly impact pricing. For investors and traders, these differences present both opportunities and challenges, emphasizing the importance of understanding local market conditions when engaging in cryptocurrency transactions. Remember, guys, you should always understand something before you invest in it or you trade it. And Bitcoin, while it is the hardest money and it is one of the best stores of value, if you try to trade it, it can be detrimental to your overall end goals. Before our next segment, we at Bitcoin Mining World have some educational opportunities you may be interested in. On December 6th, Bitcoin Mining World will be bringing you a mastermind deep dive with EMCD, a mining pool out of the UK. In this mastermind deep dive, you will learn from EMCD and KS Crypto Solutions. This deep dive webinar is designed to help you master reward models, select the best pool to maximize your earnings, and you will also learn how to maximize your uptime and reduce your failure rates on your mine. If you want to learn more or sign up for this mastermind deep dive with EMCD, go to the link in the description. Also upcoming, Bitcoin Mining World is doing a Bitcoin mining bootcamp with the Web3 certification board. This Bitcoin mining bootcamp offers an intensive hands-on journey into the world of Bitcoin mining. This program is designed for aspiring and experienced miners, providing practical skills and knowledge essential for managing and optimizing mining operations. You will walk away from this mining class with a Bitcoin miner, an S19J Pro. You will also walk away with a certificate of completion that you can take to anyone in the industry looking to hire to prove that you have what it takes to manage a Bitcoin mining operation. So this class has two segments, December 10th through the 13th, Tuesday through Friday. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central will be the online session, and the in-person session will happen December 16th through the 17th, Monday through Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central, and that will be at the Dallas College at the Koppel Center. So go to bitcoinminingworld.com or click the link in the description to learn more. For our second bit of news, on November 21st, 2024, MicroStrategy's stock experienced a significant decline, dropping 16% to close at $397.28. Despite Bitcoin reaching new record highs. This downturn was influenced by Citron Research's announcement of a short position against MicroStrategy, citing concerns over the company's valuation and its heavy reliance on Bitcoin investments. Analysts have raised questions about the sustainability of MicroStrategy's strategy, noting that while the company's stock has surged along Bitcoin's price, its valuation might not be justified solely by its cryptocurrency holdings. This development highlighted the volatility and risks associated with corporate strategies heavily tied to the cryptocurrency markets. So, guys, the word of advice here is not to just jump straight on the bandwagon. I'm not really a huge fan of Warren Buffett, but, along my journey, he did say something that I'll always remember. He said, don't invest in anything that you don't understand. And I kind of took that to heart, and I think you guys should too. If you don't understand how the market's working or what the investment is doing or why it's doing what it's doing, maybe it's time to take a deeper look before you just go all in. All right. And before I get you guys out of here, I want to tell you about the Pod X from Greenwich. This is a revolutionary new air-cooled containerized mining solution. This is an incredible technology. It's going to increase your uptime and your efficiency and also reduce the sound pollution that may come from your mining container. Take a look at this video. I think you guys might be really interested.
We're self-miners ourselves, and we understand a lot of the problems that a common miner out there or a common company that runs air-cooled units might experience. And we've helped a lot of other sites that use these air-cooled solutions, and we understand what you go through. Like, we understand the higher research issues that might come with some of these solutions. Like, it's really what drove us to want to try and solve that into one solution, which is what we ended up doing.
All right. To learn more about the Pod X from Greenwich, go to podx.bitcoinminingworld.com. It's scrolling across the bottom of your screen so you can check it out, or just click on the link in the description. As always, I made it super easy for you. And for the last bit of news, you see what I did there? Anyways, I'm going to get you guys out of here real fast. Don't worry. The recent surge in Bitcoin's value, nearing $100,000, has intensified cryptocurrency mining activities in Russia. This increase is partially notable in regions like Dagestan, I hope I said that right, where miners are restoring to clandestine operations, including underground installations to evade detection and circumvent high electricity consumption scrutiny. Local authorities are responding to these unauthorized mining activities by advocating for stricter regulations. Incidents such as a substation fire in Dagestan attributed to power surges from illegal mining have underscored the urgency of addressing the issue. I'm going to mess this up, but I do apologize. Abdulmuslimov, Dagestan's prime minister, has emphasized the need for increased vigilance against illicit crypto mining operations. In response to these challenges, Russia has enacted new legislation effective November 1st, 2024, requiring individuals and companies involved in cryptocurrency mining to register with the finance ministry and report specific details to the financial monitoring regulator. This regulatory framework aims to bring transparency and oversight to the mining sector, balancing the economic benefits of cryptocurrency mining with the need to maintain energy infrastructure integrity and public safety. Wow, that was a lot. But as you can see, Russia is clamping down on cryptocurrency mining, and Bitcoin miners are going to do what they're going to do. It is not that easy to hide off-grid sites, but it can be done. But I still think that safety and regulatory compliance is very important so that people don't die. I had a podcast coming out in the next few weeks with Abacus Coden, and we talked a lot about that, about safety around Bitcoin mining, because you are dealing with high current electronics, and if you do something wrong, you can screw it up, and you could, in the worst case, you could die. So always be careful when you're hooking these miners up. Always follow the guidelines and have electricians take a look at it. And if you're in these places like Russia and you're trying to hide from the local government, I suggest you do a better job. So, and just like that, guys, that is the end of our news segments for the day. This news segment was brought to you by Channel 256 and Bitcoin Mining World. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. I hope that you guys remember to stay humble and stack sats. It's going to be a wild ride, and we're just getting started. So I will be here tomorrow. So anyways, guys, with that, I will see you next time on Channel 256 News.